Hector. Today I commented Alyssa's Sosa's video, and she commented that, oh yeah, I was eating Takis. She said to do a video of my golden fidget. I finally found it, and here it is. My fingers are red. Here's my gold fidget spinner. It kind of looks silver in the video. Oh God! Hey, look at my fingers. All of these Takis that I ate. The golden fidget spinner. Oh God! It hurts a lot. It hurts a lot. These fidget spinners hurt. I don't know when they came out, but it's special. We don't need to talk about this. Soda can. Fidget. No, fidget. Well, I'm gonna do I'm gonna record some stuff. Yep. How did it came here? I don't need this fidget spinner. I need these eggs. Nah, I don't need those eggs. Oh yeah, you can hear stuff. It's because my mom is watching TV, and my sister is watching YouTube. Oh yeah. Oh God. Some people have the gold fidget spinner. Even I have a green one. Let me get it. Let me pause it first. Okay, I got it. Here it is. I have 2 fidget spinners. I got 3 of them. It's a glowing one. It glows right here. But I only have these because I don't know where's the other one. I just wish I had it. Well, my sister has 2 of them. I have 3. I can spin 2 of them. Let me. Frick! Forgot. Frick. Frick! I couldn't do it because can you see this? Yeah, I lost the thing, so I can't really spin good. Golden fidget spinner right there. Well, I'm gonna end this video because I just only wanted to show my fidget spinners. Here is my gold fidget spinner and green fidget spinner. Well, subscribe to my channel and just like the video. If you like the video, just please like it. You don't have to, but yeah, you can, just because. Bye. Bye. Bye.